Hello friends, welcome to Gokul Tech. Today we are completing our 25 days formula challenge with a very important formula which is called as index match. Before jumping into video, if you have missed what are the 24 formulas we have discussed previously, I have provided the link for the complete playlist in the description. You can go ahead and watch it and don't forget to share to the people who are in need of these formulas. Okay, let's jump into video. So we are going to discuss as index match formula. Before jumping into video, we need to know what is the use of index and match, and then we can go for the index match. Okay, let's start with the index formula, how it will work and what are the details it will give you the values, right? Fine, let's take chocolate chip over here, right? Okay, I need to get the total price from the overall value. Now you can see there is a two different rows you are getting, either array row number and column number. And if you go for here, the second row shows reference, row number, column name and area number. These are the two different methods we are going to discuss in this complete video. So first we'll go with this one, array. Array is that nothing but the for which we are going to take the value. So I'm just sorry, the whole value, right? I need only total price, so I'm just selecting this total price. Just press F4 by locking it. Now you need to know the row number of it. So row number I'm giving it as chocolate chip, right? So I'm giving it as 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's give it as 4 and close the bracket. You got the value of chocolate chip of row number 4, right? Okay. And now if you give 5, you will get the value of fifth row value. Done. So this is the first method of index. It will give you the overall value. Suppose if you select three different columns and then from there you have to take the particular value, what will happen? There comes the second row, which is for the chocolate chip with the method of giving row plus column details, right? Okay, how it will comes? Let's see. Equal to, again give index. I am selecting three different columns and just giving the comma, and row number I am giving it as 5, the fifth row, and column number is, the selected column number is 1, 2, 3. So we have selected only three columns. I am giving the column number as 3. Okay, suppose if I want to get only the total price for that particular um, product, just click, close the bracket, enter. You can get the same value. Suppose if I want to get the quantity, how much quantity I have, so I have selected three columns. So quantity in the first column, I just amended it to first one. You can see 82 quantities and my value is this much. So this is how the index work. Index will give you the index of the particular product. Okay, now let's go to the match formula. Let's see how it will work over there for the same product, right? Okay, just go to match. I'm placing it over here again. So now here equal to match, and now I want to check the chocolate chip. Check K4, and now I need to know where it is exactly located, this chocolate chip. I'm just selecting this product range because it's located over here, and just give comma and give 0 and close the bracket. You can get to know the very first row number is 4. You can see the 4, it's available. So this is the match function will work. So this is how the match formula works. So it will give me the where this particular product is located. Fine. Now I'm going to create a index match formula by using both index and match. How it will work? Let's go and see. Here index match is there. So before giving a product name, what we can do is we just copy this, and what we'll do is, as usual, like we'll remove the duplicates. Yeah, it is done. And then I'm creating a data validation for this. Now you can see I have only few. as a data validation. Fine, this is fine. Now I am going to use index match formula, both the normal index and the match function. Okay, so I am selecting one product which is like chocolate chip watch we have selected previously. Okay, equal to VLOOKUP. My lookup sorry, equal to index. My array is this particular column. Fine, got it. And then my row number is 4. Instead of row number, what we can give is match function. Again, my lookup value is this chocolate chip. My lookup array from this particular column. Match type is 0. Close the bracket and close the indexing number also. So you got the number of 108.46, which is our 4. How we got the 4 is because if you see in the match, it shows me the first index, which is of 4, right? 104.6. Okay. Now, if I want to change it for other arrow root, yeah, you got it. Rise in, yes, you got it. So obviously, it will give you for the total value of the particular, now, which is the first product, which is having a multiple values. So that's why we are getting it for the multiple first values. Now, I am going to do it for the same one. I'm just copy and paste it. Okay, based on the headers, right? Headers in the sense like from unit and quantity and the total price. I'm just going to select this one. Why? Because now this time we are going to use the value of quantity or how much is the unit price and the value. Okay, so now we are going to use both row and column method. So now we have done with one formula. So now we are going to look up the value for column number also. So what I am going to do is equal to index again. My array will be the whole array. F4 to lock it. Happy. Yes. And row number for this product I need to get. So I am giving match of this lookup value. F4 always fix it. Comma. My lookup array will be from this particular column. This F. Lock it again. Comma. 0. It will be the exact match. Done. Now column number again we are going to give an exact match so that we'll get the value for the quantity also. So again match it. My lookup value will be quantity, comma. So where this is available, it is available at the top header. Okay. Now you can see my unit price of product chocolate chip is 1.87 and I can get the value of 108.46. So this is how we can use index match formula to get our desired value. This will be the best alternate I can say for VLOOKUP. Why? Because we can match will help you to identify the exact row number or the place where that particular lookup value is located. Accordingly, we can derive the value to our desired sheet. Hope everyone can enjoy this complete series of Excel of 25 days formula. I'll ensure that if you are practicing these 25 days formula, 25 formulas in your daily, definitely you will become an intermediate or pro level in your daily tasks. So see you in the next series of videos in short span of time, and I'll ensure you that we will be having VBA classes as well. Thank you for watching Gokul Tech. We'll see you in the next exciting video. Thank you and Jai Hind.